What's going on, gang? Welcome to my channel, Richie Blue Fragrances. I am Richie Blue. I'm here to let y'all know about all my amazing fragrances. To let you know that you can get some of these fly boys as well, so you can get that smell good action. Like me, I'm a late bloomer when it comes to the fragrance game. I just started out about a few years ago, and as you can see, I'm a ooh man already. But I had to start opening up my game, start smelling a little better, start getting some of those reactions. Those, oh, you smell nice. Yes, I do. I thank you. And so I come here to let y'all know y'all can get some of that vibe as well. There ain't nothing like getting a good compliment from a fragrance that you've been waiting for a long time. And this is what that is. We are here. At the moment, I have in my hand Giorgio Armani, Stronger With You, Absolutely. And so take a look at this real quick before we open it up. This has been a long time coming, gang. I've been waiting to get my hands on this for a very, very long time. Now the moment is here. We are almost here to open it up. Now, let me tell you more a little bit about myself. I'm not really into fragrances as in the technical aspects of it. I pick up a bottle, oh, this looks nice. Spray it in the air, oh, this smells good, I like it, I want it. So as I go on my journey, and y'all can come on this journey with me, we can learn all the technical aspects, all the blends and the fragrances that go into a particular fragrance to make it smell so good. And so as we go on that journey, let's start right now by opening it up. Ooh, look at this. Okay, let's go ahead and get that over here. You know what? I don't even want that right here. Get it away. Get it out of here. Yes. Ooh, we almost there. Let's go ahead and open it up right here. And also, just to let you know, this is a 100 ml or 3.4 fluid ounces for some of y'all. Let's go ahead. Ooh, look at that silver atomizer. Look at that. Oh, wow, this is a lovely bottle, gang. Look how good this bottle looks right here. This bottle is lovely. It's just, this type of bottle is gonna look good on your display case or your wherever you decide to store, your shelf wherever you decide to store your fragrances. As you can see, got the silver ball on top of it. Looks like it has some like little wires that's winded around to keep the top secure. Let's go ahead and pop him off. Oh yeah, that is nice and okay. Oh, nice and secure. Oh, this is secure. I like that. Okay, let's get you know what? It is funny too, because this is the first time I'm ever gonna smell this right here. I bought a clone of this very bottle, and I was very much in love with it from that one, just off the clone. So let's see. Oh wow, let's go ahead and get a little spray in here. Okay, here. Oh, it's the first sprays. You got the first sprays. Oh, there we go. Yes, this is what I've been waiting for. It smells even better in the flesh, better than official. Just look at that. Wow. Gang, this is something that you want to definitely get your hands on, gang. You definitely want to get this on. Got that whiskey smell. Oh wow, and it lingers. It got some nice staying power. I've heard the longevity for Strong With You Absolutely is about, it lasts pretty long, they say. I haven't had it on my body per se yet, so I'm not gonna know exactly from my experiences how long it's gonna last on my skin. But I'm not no sissy spray. So it's definitely gonna last on there for a little while. And so, oh my gosh, guys, I wish y'all could get this. You need to get your hands on this. Without a doubt, you gotta get your hands on this. Oh, I just noticed a little Armani emblem right here on the tie. Y'all ain't gonna be able to see that, but we're gonna get some close-ups later. We're gonna do some close-ups so you can get some of that. Oh, this bottle is lovely again. Oh, wow. We're gonna have to add some more to this right here. And then the top, you can't just throw the top on. I got a nice little groove on there where you have to make sure it's in the right spot. You can't just put it on anywhere. You gotta get there. Got like a little screw on there. Oh, I like this. Look at that juice. It has that winter fall type juice in here. And this is exactly what it's for. It has this last longer on your skin and that colder weather. And where I'm at up here in New Jersey, it definitely gets cold. You get that air, that cold air coming off the ocean. This boy right here, it's gonna be able to put up a little fight. Definitely gonna still project out there in the winter months. So gang, I must say I am very, very impressed with A Strong With You. I definitely like the bottle. The bottle is quite lovely. The smell, you can still smell the air. It just smells so good. This is definitely going to be a mainstream in my fall winter collection. It's going to get a heavy rotation. Definitely for the weekend vibe type, you know. Go out there, go do some work. This is going to be with me right here. So the cost is it's going to be very hard. Let's get the cost real quick because it took me a while to get it. This is not one of these. This is not one of those fragrances that you're going to be able to just go to Macy's and pick up. Or no, you know, you're going to have to order this. I got on a waiting list. And that's how I was able to get it. I seen it come through. They say, oh, they had some available on Fragrance. Was it Fragrance Buy? I believe it was Fragrance Buy. One of those discounters. I got the word that it was going to be coming through, that was going to be available. And I know they sell out very quickly, so I went and got me one, was able to copy real quick, and yeah, we're finally here, and it is definitely amazing. I'm glad that I was able to secure this lovely fragrance here, and I look forward to letting other people get it whiffed. Looking forward to those compliments. And yeah, that's gonna be it, guys. Richie Blue's gonna be out of here. Definitely need to pick this up, put it in your bag, put it in rotation, and let me know how you feel when you get your smells on. How many compliments did you get? List them down in the chat below in the comment section. I will be reading those. And subscribe, like the video. This is one of the beginning. We're only going to go up from here. We're going to do a lot better things, and I look forward to seeing y'all next time.